Behold! The peak of humanity. Finally, the pinnacle of evolution represented in one perfect creature. But how did we get here? Like most affronts to nature itself, this one started at a university laboratory. Scientists at Stanford University have transplanted human brain cells into rats. This could potentially be used to study conditions such as schizophrenia and autism, according to some website that I didn't fact check, or remember the name of. Typically, humans frown upon stabbing other humans in the brain, even if the intention was only learning. That's why they put the brain cells into a rat, because humans don't give a shit about those animals. I don't know where they got the human brain cells, but we're gonna ignore that part. The scientists started this process by growing stem cells into tiny 3D structures called organoids, and then they transplanted them onto baby rats' somatosensory cortices. This is the part of the brain that receives signals from their sensory organs, meaning this is the part of the brain that lets you know when you're having a certified epic gamer moment. The structures melded with the rat's growing brain, sprouting new neurons complete with blood vessels and connections to other cells. Now that they committed this crime against your human god, they decided to see what they could learn from it. First, they tested if the human parts of the rat brain would respond to external stimuli. The scientists probed the rat's whiskers and the human cells fired, meaning that they receive and transmit information. Then they wanted to see if they could influence the rat's behavior. They slapped a genetically altered set of organoids that get stimulated when they get lasered with blue light into their brain. They then got a light that changed from blue to red and a spout of water. When the rat licked the spout of water, when it was blue, it got water. When it licked it when it was red, nothing happened. Or they f***ing shocked it. I don't know, dude. I wrote this script like a month ago, and I think it's a hell of a lot funnier if I don't know what the f*** I'm talking about. By the end of a 2-week study period, the rats licked the spout more frequently when the light was blue, indicating that the human cells were activating rat neurons to drive reward-seeking behavior. I don't really know how that worked. Let me reread. This technology could potentially be used for a plethora of different science fiction-y brain stuff. For example, it could be used to repair destroyed sections of the brain from conditions such as stroke or Alzheimer's or stabbed in the f***ing brain. You could expand the brain. It wouldn't make you smarter, but make it bigger or something. I don't know what it would do, but find out is a good reason to try it. While some of you might say you can't beat evolution, you did it with the human knee, and some of your species inhale f***ing computer duster. You could even maybe make a giant fleshy brain computer to transmit information using stem cells and human brains. However, these guesses are all coming from an uneducated idiot cramming different pieces of brains in random animals by the name of me. So in conclusion, I don't know. While some say this entire thing is an example of science gone horrifically too far, to that I say, wire me some bitcoins and I'll make an AI deepfake video of your enemy yelling the Forbes top 10 most offensive slurs, and then we'll see, maybe science going too far ain't too bad. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with all notifications enabled, and watch my other videos, or I'll cut open your skull and implant pieces of a rat brain in there until something interesting happens. Oh wow, we dropped something other than a smash or pass. You go f*** yourself, buddy. I want to thank Connor from the Trademark Boys for editing this video. They're a great editor and you should go watch all of their things. Shout out the Inner Circle. Love y'all.